Hello and welcome back to today's video. Today is the 30 December 2024 and I'm going to show you the opportunities that we got today. Alright, so let's get it. So we can see on the chart we are on the 5 minute and we will only pay attention to our GBI or RBIs. So where do we see the most action? Well, for example, on the ES, like here we can see the opening started exactly here. That was 5:30. That's the New York opening, and pre-opening it's starting at 2. So we already got an opportunity on the 5 minute GBI. So it came at 2:35. So that's actually 8:30 New York time. That was the opportunity. We take the trade here on the blue line. I'll enter here. I position my trade like this. Stop loss is getting buffer 6.5, 6.8 I can give, no problem, and I target 1 to 1, 6.7, 6.8, and we hit our target. Like this target would be hit in 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Trade 1, winner. Let's go back, and then we can see another opportunity we got after the market opened, but we needed first to wait on the...
We have 5 seconds. Click the subscribe button, like and share this video.
ES, Nasdaq and Dow Jones for the cross. What do I mean by the cross? The EMA cross. The blue line needed to cross the red line. And when we crossed here, this level or this candles here, you can see here, well, that was showing me we will move to the upside, and we got our cross exactly here. Here we go. You can see this is here where they went up. We went above this candle here, which was the previous resistance, and we turned this resistance technically to support after. And you can see here we got our control bar, our elephant bar with a nice RBI, red bar ignored. We position our trade just above. Stop loss is going below the wick, 34. I will give 38 or 40. 40 is nice. Here we go, and that's the target, and we will hit it in 1, 2, 3, 15 to 20 minutes. Perfect. And all those three markets did the same. S&P 500, Nasdaq and the Dow Jones, they moved the same time. You can see here they had a crossover from the EMAs, and that was our opportunity today to make money. And as well we got opportunities here after 3:30 European time, so this is basically 9:30 America. The New York opened here, we got a big push down, and this is now in the Dow Jones control bar. I position my trade exactly here. That's the blue line. I will enter here. That would be my risk factor. I put in what we have, 26, at least 32 I put my stop loss, and I target 32 for 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and I'm risking $500. We got another winner. The reason why I'm showing you this every day is because it works. It works every day, and it will work as well in 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and I hope as well in 5 years. All right, so I wanted to show you something else. The 30-minute chart. I will not show you the 15-minute chart because on the 15 we didn't get any confirmation. I mean, like a big high time frame confirmation, but on the 30-minute we got on the ES, S&P 500, Nasdaq and the Dow Jones the same signals. So check this out.
You subscribe and like this video. It costs you nothing. Exactly. It's free.
Pre-market open at 2. This is always the action is starting, but here it already started 30 minutes before. And then we got a big seller control bar here. And then you can see very nice small candle, a GBI green bar ignored. We position our trade here, so you need to pay close attention, not just to the 5 minute. You need to observe the 15 and follow the 30 minutes, 1 hour as well. That's why you need more charts on your computer, on your screen, to make a smart decision. So we will target 60 points stop loss. That would actually represent a $500 risk if you target 500. In my case, I could target 1,000. So that would be the trade. 1-to-1, very nice, executed, and then we got to push back up. All right, I hope this helps. I hope you like this video. You can see the 30 minute, it's working great, and the US dollar index was today moving as well. So you need to compare the US dollar index with another pair. Look how the dollar index pushed up. He pushed crazy up, and then he had a little pullback and another push. So some people, they were already selling here, but now he stopped all out with this move. And this is here the perfect example on the S&P 500. You can see on the right here screen a big push at 445. This is really pre-market opening on the dollar index, big push up. So that was already telling me the dollar is not weak. He will still push a little bit more up. So that was telling me I can expect downside for the ES 500, and this is exactly what we got. You can see here that was exactly this area, and on the 5 minute this one. And then after we got a cross here from the EMAs, and the dollar slowed down exactly here because we got a range. All right, so you need to pay attention to everything. The US dollar index you need to follow close if you trade the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones. I hope this helps. If you like the video, like, share, and give me a comment telling me what you think about the videos. If you have any suggestion, what I need to look for next time. If you want me to check another currency, crypto, or Forex, let me know in the comments below. Thank you, and see you next time.
You click subscribe, like, and see you next time.